Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe, share, and like my videos if you enjoy them. Click on bell icon to get update when I upload new videos. Admins can arrange and manage pinned apps in Teams for all users. If you have a requirement to upload an app and pin it to the app bar, you can do it through Teams setup policies. Access the Admin Center. Log in to the Microsoft Teams Admin Center. Upload the app. In the left navigation menu, go to Teams Apps. Select the Custom Policy. Under the Pinned Apps section, click Add Apps. Search for your custom app or native app. Add it to the list, and use the move up/move down arrows to order it on the app bar. Save the policy. Click Save to apply the changes. Thank you for watching. If you like the videos, please support the channel. Click on the bell icon to get updates whenever I upload new videos.